Oh sorry, how rude of me. I'm Callum and this is my editing tutorial. First, I'm going to talk about the Kuleshov effect. Kuleshov worked out that depending on how the shots are taken, the audience watching will receive different emotions towards the shots. Here is an example of the Kuleshov effect that I created to show 3 different emotions: hunger, anger, and also happiness. Moving on to montages. A montage is when there are a series of very short clips that have been put together. Here is an example of a montage from all of the James Bond films. This is a montage because there are lots of different short clips that have been filmed in different periods of time that have all been put together. Now moving on to the 180-degree establishing shot. This is the establishing shot where one actor stands on the right and the other stands on the left of the screen. As long as the camera does not move over the action line, then the actor's sight stays consistent. This prevents the viewer from getting confused. If we change the shot to the opposing side, our actors are now facing the opposite direction and their sight lines will not match up correctly. Now one of my favourites, the reverse shot. This is a very clever technique where one character is shown looking at another character who is looking back at the first character, in which the 2 shots which normally have them looking off the screen. This is clever because the camera shot makes it look like the 2 characters are looking straight at each other. Now going on to continuity. Continuity in a film is very important. If there is bad continuity in a film, then they would definitely have a problem. As you can see in this clip, the 2 characters in the scene have changed tops after each clip. This makes the scene confusing, as it's very unlikely you would change the top that quickly, and which would confuse the audience watching. Now going on to parallel editing. Parallel editing is where there are scenes going on in different places at the same time. Here is an example from The Godfather where it shows lots of different scenes going on at the same time. It shows a man about to be baptized as there are killings going on in the different scenes. Now lastly, transitions. Transitions make films more interesting. This video shows 3 different transitions that have been made when cutting between the shots. We have the dissolve, the wipe, and also the straight cut, which is shown in this video here.